Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. I just got my box in the mail today, and I'm actually so excited because this is the first box I've received. I just joined FabFitFun, I think last month, so this is their summer 2019 box. It is a seasonal subscription box. It's $50 per box, so you don't pay it monthly, which I really like. It's just per season, so you get a spring, summer, fall, and winter box every year, so that's 4 boxes a year. Really great deal. I know you can be an annual member, so you just pay, I think it's $180 up front, and then yeah, it's really nice, and you do get to customize a couple of the items that go into your box. You get to pick out of 3 or 4 items which one you prefer, and then you get that versus the other items. So yeah, I think this is just an awesome subscription box. I love that you get to customize it. You get so many amazing items. They are all full price, and like I said, the box is $50, and then I think it always retails for, I want to say, $200 or more. So yeah, let's just jump right into this. I did take a teeny tiny little peek, but not at everything. So yeah, I'm just super excited to get into this. So let's unbox it. Let's open this baby up. Very excited. This box is so cute. I love that it's like designed cute too. Like look at the inside right here. It's a different design than the outside, and then just this FabFitFun. And you got your stuff wrapped up in tissue paper. Like look at how big this box is. I love it so much. All right, let's unwrap it, see what's inside. All right, first off, and I did know that this comes with a magazine. This magazine shows you how much everything retails for, and then there's also a bunch of other fun articles that you can read about the items in your box, other just lifestyle things. It's just really cool. Let's just open up to the page where it tells you everything that you get. All right, so right here under what's in the box, it shows you everything that's in the box, the items that you could have either chosen or the ones that were sent to everyone. And then it also tells you up here the total value. So for this box, your box could have either retailed, so not what you paid, but what it's worth with everything in it, between $269.95. So between that or $467.95. That is a lot. All right, let's see what's next in here. You get a HelloFresh coupon for 50% off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. It's a little discount code for that. That's cool. I've never used HelloFresh, but that's cool. And then what's this? Pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. You deserve some summer fun. Oh, so it's a little discount code to give one of your friends so they can get $10 off their first box. That's really cool. Alrighty, let's just jump in. Okay, first thing I see here, this was a choice that I picked. I'm so excited about it. It's a kimono, and I love kimonos. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Alrighty, it is just this black kimono with, I think this is gray. Yeah, like grayish floral prints all over it. This is so cute. It's long, not floor length. I'd say probably like knee length. It's got pockets, and then you can also tie it up. Let's see how much this retails for. All right, so it's called the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono. And this retails for $60. Wow, this is so cute, and this literally pays for the box and then some already with this retailing for $60. So yeah, that's a really good deal. All right, next item. Oh, this was another choice that I picked. This is by 111 Skin, Harley St. London. It is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And this comes with 5 masks. Let's see how much this retails for. Holy guacamole, this set right here retails for $160. Wow, that's something. So yeah, this pack of 5 face masks, I mean, I like that you get 5 so you can actually like try it out, see results if it does give you results. I can't believe this retails for $160. This better do something crazy to my skin. Wow. So I'm very, very excited to try these out and see what all the hype is. I have never heard of this 111 Skin brand before. I hope I'm saying it right. It's 111 Skin. This is just what the packaging looks like. But yeah, Alrighty, the next item I'm seeing in here is by Wish. Not just saying that weird. That's how it's spelled, W-H-I-S-H. I'm sure it's just pronounced Wish. This is what the packaging looks like. It is coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask, soothes and softens, intense hydration. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, D and T-free, and cruelty-free. It says Leaping Bunny certified. So that's cool. It's a nice little exfoliating foot mask. Let's see what this retails for. All right, Wish exfoliating foot mask. This retails for $32. That's really cool because honestly, I hate going and getting a pedicure. I don't like other people touching my feet. It tickles. It's gross to me with other people's feet being in those little tubs. I know they clean them. It just so grosses me out. And my feet really do need some help. So I'm really excited to try this foot mask. I've never tried a foot mask before, but I'm open to trying it. I may end up loving it. Next item I see in here is by Grace and Stella. It is on the box, says spray all day. Ooh, it's a rose spray. I love rose water. I am obsessed with it. I have to use it multiple times every day in my skincare routine, just when my face is feeling dry. I live by it. So this is the rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, and oh, that's awesome. So far, it looks like all the items have been paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free, and vegan, so that's really good because I know that those are all things that almost everyone looks for in their beauty products, so that's absolutely amazing. Let's see what this retails for. This retails for $25.90, yeah, right? Yeah, $25.95, so that's actually a really good deal. I want to open this, see how big the bottle is, because this looks really big. Does it see how many ounces I get? 8.11 fluid ounces. That's really good. All right, let's see what the actual spray looks like. Oh, this is so cute. It looks just, right here, looks the same as the box's packaging. Don't mind it. I had to rip it to undo it. And it is pink, of course, because it is rose water. This looks so nice. I wonder how it sprays. It's a pretty good mist. It's not a strong rose smell. I mean, you can definitely smell the roses, but it's not like, whoa, I just rubbed my face in a bunch of rose. I think this is like a really good toned down rose scent. I love rose scent in general, but I just really like this, and I'm so excited to get this because I'm constantly buying rose water. So I'm very excited about this in my box. Let's see, what do I see next? This. Ooh, it's by the brand Kula. I don't have anything by the brand Kula, but I have heard of it before. It says it is a makeup setting spray and that it is also SPF 30. Let's read about this. Cruelty-free, vegan, water and sweat resistant. And it is certified organic, so that is very good. All right, so this is also a matte finish setting spray. So I know not a lot of people like that, but I personally love it because I do have extremely oily skin. So the matte finish mist protects your face from damaging UVA and UVB rays while helping you keep your makeup looking fresh all day. And it is dermatologist tested. All right, let's open this up. I'm curious to see what this looks like. Oh, that's cool. It's one of those like brushed frosted glass bottles. Oh, it's got like little beads in there to shake it up. That's cool. And yep, SPF 30. This is really cute. All right, so I'm very excited about this. Let's see what this retails for. This retails for $36. Wow, that's kind of actually like expensive for a setting spray in my opinion. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. How much do you get? 1.5 fluid ounces. Well, I'm very excited to try this. I love SPF items, and I do love mattifying items as well. Alrighty, let's see what else is next in here. Let's go ahead and grab this. Ooh, this is by Living Proof. It is the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. Alrighty, and you get 4 fluid ounces in here, so it just looks like this. Let's see how much this retails for. So the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, this retails for $28. Well, I'm actually very excited to try this because as you can tell, I have like weird in between wavy and curly hair, and it's always frizzy, and we've been having really bad humidity here lately. So I'm curious to see if this actually works, and I'm definitely gonna try this out. Love that. Ooh, next thing I'm seeing is a piece of jewelry. It's by Jennifer Zuner. I don't know how to say that. It says Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. Open this up. It's cute. Comes in a mini dust bag. This is what the packaging looks like. That is so cute. Let's open this up. First, let's find the retail price. Oh my goodness, this retails for $50. So that pays for the box itself as well. This is a good box. I have a feeling mine's gonna retail for a lot. Open this up. Oh, this is adorable. All right, so let's see what this is called something. So yeah, the Star Double Necklace. Starlight, star bright, there are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. All right, so this is what it looks like on the card. There's a star there and a little star there as well. Oh wait, it's dropped down. So I think it's kind of like two tiny chains layered with a star on each chain. That is so cute. And then on the back, it just tells you how to care for your jewelry. I love dainty jewelry, dainty necklaces, especially ones that you can layer. So I'm so excited about this because I'm very picky with my jewelry, but I think I'll really like this. Stars have been super trendy, and I really do like how little and dainty this is. So this is so cute. I think I'm definitely going to wear this one a lot. The next thing I see here is by Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. Now let's see, how many does this come with? 3, 6. All right, so it comes with 3 of these hair ties, and they're these little spirally ones. I've seen these everywhere. We sell not this brand at the place that I work, but something similar, and then also bigger. But these are like little baby ones, but they are supposed to like not leave a crease in your hair when you take them out. Super excited about these. Let's see what these retail for. $16. So $16 for 6 of these little mini ones. You get 3 clear and then 3 of these. It looks like almost like blondish. I know that's exciting because I do have blonde hair, so I like that they would blend in. Yeah, I'm excited to try these out. These are cool. So the last thing in my box that I see is by Generation Clay. It is called the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, I love face masks. I'm so happy that I've gotten a couple masks. I think 3. Yeah, the gold mask, the foot mask, and now this mask. And I love clay masks so much. This packaging is really pretty too. I love the bright purple. It is supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture your skin. So apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to rinse your mask off in circular motions. Alrighty, so basic use for like almost every clay mask. I wonder if this is like actually purple. I can't really tell. I don't want to squeeze it up and have it shoot at me. But that is really cute. Let's see. This retails for $39. Alrighty, that's also kind of expensive for a mask too, especially this size. Oh, you get 3.97 ounces, so almost 4 ounces. That is really cool. I can't wait to try this out. I absolutely love and live for trying new masks all the time. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this out. Probably gonna try it out tonight. But yeah, this is really good. Alrighty, so that was everything that was in my box. Overall, I am so happy with my first FabFitFun box. I think everything was in here amazing. There are so many items that I cannot wait to try and things that I've never thought that I needed or wanted to try. And I'm absolutely excited for all of them. And I love that I got a fashion kimono, a nice little necklace. I love that there is some fashion stuff in here. And also along with beauty items as well. So overall, I absolutely love this box. Alrighty, so I just added up everything in my box, all of its retail prices. And holy crap, guys, my box retailed for $446.95. That is absolutely crazy. Almost $500 worth of stuff for only $50. And I love everything in my box too. So that is absolutely amazing. It is such a good deal. That is everything that I got in my box. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments if you want me to do future unboxings of FabFitFun for like the fall and winter one, because that is something I would love to do. So if you guys would like to see it, please let me know down below. Like I said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.